Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Idam. Today we are going to discuss about the AMI image. How to create a AMI image of your EC2 instance. Let's begin. Welcome to my Amazon AWS class guys. Hope you are doing well. So we have to log in into Amazon AWS console. Once you log in, click on services, select EC2 under compute. Click on launch instance. Select Windows operating system here. Next, go with the default settings. So we have 30 GB default volume and delete on termination option is selected. When you delete your instance, this volume also get deleted, and encryption is disabled. It's by default. Create a new volume 8 GB. So for root volume you will have this 5 options, but for EBS volume you will have more options. The magnetic storage is the cheapest one under EBS volume type. So for EBS additional volume, I am not selecting delete on termination. So we will add a tag. Configure security group. Create a new security group, or you can select an existing one. I am going to select new security group. Just a minute. So what I have selected here? So I will use a existing key pair. No, I will create a new one. Launch instance. View instance. Refresh. So it will take time. Meanwhile, on the left side you can find multiple options. So currently under AMI you don't see any images. So on the left side, click on the volume tab. You can see two volumes are attached to your EC2 instance. One is 30 GB volume, which is a root volume. The other one is 8 GB additional volume. And you can see under state it is showing in use. It means they are connected to your EC2 instance and they are being used. So go to your instances, select your instance, click on refresh. The status check is not completed yet, so we have to wait. Our EC2 instance is completed. Status check. So select the instance, click on connect, go to the RDP client, download your RDP machine here, get the password, browse for the key pair, select the key pair, decrypt it, copy the password. It will be useful for us later. Just make sure we have copied the right one. HYM, fine. Now let's log in and see if you are able to connect. Yes. Enter the password and click on OK. So what we are going to do is we are going to add some files in the volume on the desktop in the D drive. it's loading all the configuration settings. We need to wait for some time, maybe more 1 minute. I will create some files on this. On desktop I have saved 2 files, so go to the machine, this PC. We can, I see only one volume, right? Why? Let me see in disk management. We will bring it online. Initialize disk. Okay. Fine. New volume. Yes. 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 Next. Finish. Now your volume is here. Let's see if we can find it here. Yes. So here also we will create some data. I have created 3 files here. So now we will come to the console. Go to our instance. Okay. Now we will create an image for this one. Select your instance. Click on actions. So here you have image and templates. Create image. Okay. So you can create image by stopping your instance. When you stop your instance and create image, it will take a full snapshot of your image. Okay. But if you create image now, and if any applications is installing in the background, if you are modifying any data, it will be not copied. Okay. So just to be on safe side, make sure there are no applications or any data running in the background. I will go ahead and create the image. So I'm giving name AMI test. Here you can find 2 volumes are showing. One is root volume, one is additional EBS volume. Here you can select which volume you want to take image. If you don't want the other volume, you can just simply click on X mark. That volume will be excluded. Create image. So I'm selecting 2 volumes and creating image. In case if you want additional volume in that image, you can click on add image. You will not see any status here. To see the status here, on the left side under images you will find AMI. Click on AMI. It is showing in pending status, so it's going to take some time. We need to wait for it. Once it is completed, we will delete the instance. So here we have created instance with two volumes, okay, in North Virginia region. Then we have created few files on desktop and in D drive. Then I have created the image of my instance. Okay, I have selected two volumes. Then we are going to delete the instance. Once the instance gets deleted, we are going to use the image, then create a new EC2 instance in a different region for testing. Okay, so then we are going to launch the instance and we will see if we can find our data. Let's see if this AMI image data is completed. Wow, great, it is available now. So go to the instance tab, select your instance and click on terminate. So first it will shut down, later it will show in termination. So on the left side, click on the volumes. You see two volumes, right? One is 30 GB root volume and 8 GB EBS volume. So I have selected delete on termination for 30 GB root volume, not for 8 GB. So if I click on refresh, you can see the state deleting, but for other EBS volume you can find available. Okay, so in case if you have not selected delete on termination option, you have to make sure you have to delete this manually, or else Amazon going to charge for it. Click on actions and delete volume. Okay, now I'm not going to delete it, I will wait for some time. Select, go to the AMIs, click on actions. You can copy your AMI in a different region and go to that region and you can launch the instance. Okay, that is one practical. The other practical option is you can select your AMI and directly click on launch, and EC2 instance going to create in the same region. Okay, but for testing I want to give one more practical to you. So select the instance, click on actions, we will copy this AMI and we will select the destination region where we are going to select. US East Ohio. Okay, here it is asking, do you want to encrypt the target EBS snapshot? Currently not required. So this is a file name which you are copying from US East. Copy AMI, done. Okay, so do you see one more image here? No, right? We have to click on the region, select US East Ohio, you can find it here, it is in pending state. Click on refresh, it will take some time. Meanwhile we will check the other options. Click on the instances. Now you will see here there are no instances present in this region because this is a different region, right? Under AMI it is still in pending. Do you see any volumes? Nope. Snapshots. So here we have two snapshot. One is 8 GB which is available. So 8 GB snapshot is created, that's great, and 30 GB snapshot for root volume, it is still in pending status. So we can click refresh to see the status. I don't see any progress here, so I believe it will take some more time. Click on the instances, come to the AMI again, click on refresh, wait for some time. So the status still it is in pending state. So guys, whoever watching this video, tell me where are you from and what is your name. You can mention it in the comments section, so I will be happy to watch it. And you can give me your review, like do you like this class, and let me know what more content you want. So Amazon class, like we have more content, we have to do it. Currently we are in lecture 20. We are going to do VPC, auto scaling, and many more. So it's going to take some time. Definitely I'm going to upload it. So please take notes, okay? You can write it, it will be easy for you. Don't take pictures. It is first snapshot, right? So it's taking time, and moreover we are copying to different region. Finally it is completed. We will refresh it once again. Now select this and click on launch. So here you can select any type of instance. Okay, we need free tier only, right? So select that and click on next. Go with the default option. So you can find your instance here, 30 GB and 8 GB volume. So delete on termination is already selected. No encryption. If you want to add more volume, extra volume, you can add it. Add tags, configure, create a new security group anywhere, review on launch. It is not showing existing key pair because that was created in different region. Okay, don't forget. Launch instance, view instance. Now you know what to do, right? We have to wait. Yes. Now let's check our AMI image. It is showing available. It's a private, okay? Others cannot see it. Under volumes, we can find our two volumes present. Go to the instance type. So what do you think, guys? When I launch this instance, will it show our old data? No? Let's find out. So status check is completed. Select your instance, click on connect, RDP client. We will download the rest of file. Password is not available, okay, because it is an image of the other instance, and the password we saved it in a notepad, right? We will use this password. Hey guys, we got our data. No. Let's find out in D drive. Great. We have 3 files present in it. So this is how you can restore your instance in the same region or in the different region. Okay. We will disconnect this session. I hope you like this class. So before we end the class, I would like you to show how to delete all this. Instance state, terminate the instance. Okay, go to the AMI actions, deregister, continue, volumes. We will refresh first. Select action, delete volumes because it is in use. Refresh. Your volume is deleted. Okay, AMI, it is also not there. Instance type, it is in terminated status. We will go to the other region where we have extra volume left, right? I think you forgot about it. Go to the AMI image, select action. We will deregister this as well. Go to the volumes, select delete the volume. Yes, delete. So we have deleted everything successfully. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I hope you like the class. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Meet you in next class. Take care.